Hello. Often I find that marketing agencies often lose leads uh, because responses are delayed and follow-ups are missed. To solve this problem, I have built this entire workflow in an item. What it does, let's see what it does. So I have the form. Let me fill the form. So I can just assuming name, and then I fill phone number, and then email ID and agency. Let me select, and then sorry. I'm just trying to fill the form. When a user fill this form, so you can see I have all the vague details just for show you. So if I submit the form, the system runs automatically. So what it does, it automatically updates, it automatically captures lead, analyze them with AI, updates the CRM, notifies the internal team, and follow-ups automatically. So let's see practically. So you can see the entire workflow worked perfectly. All the green tick shows it, and we should have received one email here with the customized email, and then after 3-4 days I should have it will send a follow-up SMS whenever it required. And then you can see all the all the it updates all the user details here in the Airtable as a CRM. So it includes AI lead score, AI sentiment, AI summary, recommended service needed for the client, and even follow-up message. So you can see in one platform it gives all the details, and also it notifies the internal teams. That is here I use um, uh, Slack, so all the details you can see. So it will save many times for the marketing agencies if you use it. And this workflow can be adapted for different agencies, CRMs, and sales process. So the result is faster response time, less manual work, and more importantly, more reliable lead management systems. So thanks for watching.